This video will cover the installation of a VDO water temperature gauge into a 1982 Volvo 245 D6. For other vehicles, the specific products and sizes may differ, but the general rules are the same. This installation can be completed over lunch. For this installation, you will need an inline hose adapter and temperature sender in addition to the gauge. Links are in the description. Start by measuring the diameter of the upper radiator hose, which transfers the heated coolant to the radiator for cooling. For this, I used a BeCool 72102 adapter with a diameter of 1 1/4 inches with a sender thread size of 3/8 of an inch. The sender is a VDO 323421 3/8 inch thread with a 250-degree reading. Apply Teflon tape to the sender threads to create a watertight seal. You may have to use a vise and lever to fully seat the sender into the adapter. Depressurize your system by removing the radiator reservoir cap. Apply hose clamp pliers to either side of the area to be cut, and cut your hose. Put your hose clamps in place, install your inline adapter, and secure your clamps. Connect your sending wire to the top of the sender and route through the firewall into the cab. This sender will also need a grounding wire, which will connect via the post on the bottom of the adapter. I grounded this to the bracket on the side of the engine bay by the battery. Install your gauge where desired. Connect the electrical leads to the back of the gauge. Connect your 12-volt where appropriate. I typically connect to one of the few spade connectors which engages with the ignition. For a ground connection, I found the screw underneath the gauge bezels to be a reliable mount. Once the wires are connected, turn on your car and bleed the cooling system of any air with the radiator cap removed. Refill the coolant as needed and then reattach your reservoir cap. Run the car to operating temperature and check your gauge for proper operation. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your new water temperature gauge in your Volvo 240.